Screen visible? Is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we started with this example. R square equal to a square cos 2 theta. Okay. So this was the second example. Then we understood what the symmetry is. If we replace theta by minus theta, there is no change. So symmetry about initial line. Symmetry about OX. Symmetry about pole also. Okay. This was the example. Can anyone check and tell me whether this was the example or we are studying any different example? CR,
Yes, sir. It's same.
this was the example. No? I think we have gone through the symmetry. We written symmetric about the initial line as well as symmetric about the pole. And whenever we place r by minus r, theta by minus theta simultaneously, there is no change in the curve. Therefore, symmetric about y-axis also. Symmetric about y-axis also. Okay. This was the first point. Then we started with the point of intersection. Inside that, I think we started with the pole. And when we substitute r equal to 0, it implies theta equal to, I think, pi by 4. Okay. Pi by 4 or what the value, I don't remember. We are going to find it once again. Okay. Therefore, curve is passing through the pole. It was pi by 4. Passing through pole. Okay. Then tangent at pole. Now our aim is to find tangent to the curve at pole. Okay. So what is the procedure? We have to substitute r equal to 0. That is a square cos 2. Now write with me. Cos 2 theta equal to 0. Therefore, cos, let me write it here. Cos 2 theta equal to 0. Now when cos is 0, this is 0 degree. This is pi by 2. This is pi.
Pi by
3 pi by 2. Again, it will be 2 pi. Okay, and so on. We can write the different angles. Now, what is cos here? Cos is equal to 1 here. Cos of 0 is 1. Na? Cos of pi by 2 is 0 here. Okay. Cos of pi is minus 1 here. And cos of 3 pi by 2 is 0 here. Okay. Let me see if anyone is waiting outside. Okay. So we know all these things. So when cos is 0, so cos is 0 for pi by 2, then 3 pi by 2, okay, then 5 pi by 2, okay, you might get in this 7 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, and so on. Right? These are the different values when cos is 0. But our aim is not to find 2 theta, we want to find theta. So what the theta is? Pi by 4, right? Then 3 pi by 4, okay, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, okay, 9 pi by 4 if required. We'll see whether it is required or not. Then 11 pi by 4 and so on. But what the pi by 4 is? 45 degree, we know it. Okay, 3 pi by 4 is 135 degree. Okay. Then 5 pi by 4 is, yes, 2 to 5 degree. Okay. Then again add 90, so 5 and correct, no? What about the next? Again add 90, so it is 405. Right. So see these 4 values, they are less than 360 degree. Right, but this is 405 is greater than 360 degree, and in fact it is 360 plus 45. Right? That is ultimately it is equal to 45 degree only, and that is already be considered here. So whether I write 405 degree or 45 degree, both of them are same only. They will show the same radius vector, right now? And I want different tangents only. So I have 4 tangents only, right? 45 degree, 135, 225, and 315, right? This will be same only. So next, if I take, that will be same as 135 degree. If I take next value, that will be same as 225 degree, and so on. Okay. So I have these tangents only. These are the different tangents, distinct tangents. If I take next value, 9 pi by 4, that will be same as pi by 4. 11 pi by 4, that will be same as 3 pi by 4. Sabko samajh mein aa raha hai na? Right? So these values will repeat again. So I have how many tangents? I have 4 tangents only. These are the 4 tangents. Clear? Whenever we will draw the diagram, I will explain this thing once again geometrically. Right now I have explained it algebraically. Okay. Now let me go to the next point. Right, next, third point. We'll check the existence of curve. Okay. Existence. So 2 different ways to check the existence. A is what we have to do? We have to find maximum value of R square. Okay, R square equal to A square cos 2 theta. Now, what are the different values of cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta may be maximum value is 1, right? Cos 2 theta may be 0, and minimum value is -1, right? Accordingly, R square equal to A square, R square equal to 0, and R square equal to -A square. Okay. So from here R equal to plus minus A. So from here we are getting minimum and maximum value of R. Minimum value is -A, maximum value is plus A. You might have understood this. R equal to 0 here, and you might have understood R is imaginary number, plus minus AI. So for some values the curve does not exist. Does not exist. This is clear now? Right, curve does not exist. Let me change the page. Hope you might have written all these things. I am audible. I am audible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Sukurut, have you joined? Okay. Manually, I have to join the students. Okay. Yes. So we understood that the conclusion is like this. Let me change the page. Conclusion is like this: R maximum equal to A. Right? R minimum is -A, but I'm not considering that. So I cannot trace a circle with R equal to -A. Circle not exist. Does not exist. Okay. So R, that is x square plus y square equal to A. That is x square plus y square equal to A square. So what is conclusion? Whole curve lies inside circle R equal to A. That is circle having center at origin, right, and radius A. You might have understood this. Okay, clear? सबको समझ में आ गया? ये है पहला पार्ट एक्जिस्टेंस का. Now we'll check the second part, B part. To check existence between, understand, this is a new part, between different tangents. Tangents के बीच में इसका existence देखना है. ठीक है? To check the existence between different tangents. What are the tangents? You might have understood this. If this is the x and y axis or coordinate system. Okay, so we have seen that theta equal to pi by 4 is one tangent. Then pi by 4 is the second tangent. U pi by 4 is the next tangent, exactly at the center of each quadrant. 7 pi by 4. These are the different tangents. Okay, battery is low. Just 1 minute. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let me continue. So we want to check existence of curve between these tangents. See here. This is say first part. This is the second part. Okay. This is the third part. And this is the fourth part. We want to check existence between different tangents. Okay. What the equation of curve is? R square equal to a square cos 2 theta. चलो check करते हैं. Okay. So first part we want to check existence between minus 7 pi by 4 to theta equal to pi by 4. So take any value of theta, as we have seen in case of Cartesian coordinate system. Take any value of theta between 7 pi by 4 to pi by 4, and the value of r square will be same. Means sign will be same, value will be different, but sign will be same. Whether it is positive or negative, that will be same. So the simplest value will be theta equal to 0. Theta equal to 0 is here, na? Theta equal to 0 is over here. So let me take theta equal to 0. Therefore, r square equal to a square cos of 0. Cos of 0 is 1. So r square equal to a square. That is r equal to plus minus a. So r exists. That is curve exists. Okay, what is the conclusion? Curve exists. Okay. Now let me take the second tangent. Okay. The sector between tangent, not the second tangent. So pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. So take any value of theta which lies between these two. Okay. So this will be the better value. Let theta equal to pi by 2. Here we have tried let. So r square equal to a square cos of 2 into pi by 2. Okay, cos of pi. And what is cos of pi? Minus 1. Okay. So minus a square. Now r square is minus a square. So what is r? Plus minus ai, imaginary number. So curve. Yes. Anyone? Curve does not exist. Audible na?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, so curve does not exist here. You might have understood. समझ में आ रहा है ना सबको? अब next part में जाते हैं. Can anyone tell me, is it required to take existence between 3 pi by 4 to pi by 4, or we can write the answer directly considering some concept? कोई concept use करके हम डायरेक्टली बता सकते हैं कि क्या 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4 में क्या होगा?
Symmetry.
Yes. Huh? Very good. Symmetry. Curve is symmetric about both x and y axis, na?
Yes, sir.
अरे लिखा ना हमने previous page पे लिखा. Here written it. Curve is symmetric about initial line as well as theta equal to pi by 2. That is x and y axis only. सब same ही है. ये मत बोलना कि why we are considering x and y axis here. Whether I am considering x y axis or polar coordinate system, that is the initial line, all they are working together only. It is not a different thing. Just for simplification, we have converted the Cartesian coordinate system to polar coordinate system. We have done anything new is not done. Anything new we have not done. Just only change of notation, change of formulas. That's it. Okay. So by symmetry, see, curve is symmetric about this line, y-axis. Symmetric about x-axis also, but let me consider symmetric about y-axis over here. Now curve exists here, right? Here curve exists, here curve exists. So by default curve will exist here also by symmetry, since curve is symmetric about the y-axis. Okay, so let me write that. Okay, so write 3 pi by 4, and if you not understand this, you can take any value. Say you can take pi. Okay, so let me take pi also. You understand by two different ways, huh? So let theta equal to pi. Now we'll see what happens. So r square equal to a square cos of 2 theta. So 2 pi. Cos of 2 pi is cos of 0. Cos of 0 is 1. So r equal to plus minus a. What is conclusion? Curve exists. So इस part में भी curve exist होता है. Now we want to check the existence between 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. कोई बता सकता है? Can anyone tell me what will happen in 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4? इस part में क्या होगा? कोई बता सकता है?
Sir,
See,
does not.
हाँ, very good. Curve is symmetric about x-axis, and curve does not exist here. Now you use the symmetry, and what will be the answer? Curve does not exist. Okay, so we'll check that. Let theta equal to 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2. Hope this is visible. Okay, so r square equal to a square cos of 3 pi by 2 into 2. So 3 pi, that is minus 1. So minus a square. So curve does not exist. For me, it's somewhat difficult to write it. Please write it correctly. Curve does not exist. Next page. Let me change page. उसको ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट मत समझना, समझ में आएगा आपको. थोड़ा सा पेशेंस रखना है. Okay, then right. Next point, loop. What is required for loop? In case of Cartesian coordinate, there we have 3 conditions, right? It was required that there should be 2x intercepts or 2y intercept. Okay. Then the loop exists between those. Sorry, curve exists between these 2 intercepts, and on either side that curve does not exist. But in case of polar coordinate system, r is negative, there are chances of loop. Okay, so write down r square equal to a square cos 2 theta, right? All right. When before some time we have written this, right? Theta equal to 0, r square equal to a square. So what the r is? R equal to plus minus a, na? Okay. So right, since r is negative, loop exists. Clear? Now let me consider the next point. Table. Now be careful. Before some time, when we started the Cartesian coordinate system, there we written whenever we want to consider a table, then what we have to do? Hope you remember. We have to consider symmetry as well as we have to consider existence. Considering that, we have to consider specific value of tables. So see, we have like this: x-axis, y-axis. These are the tangents, 2 tangents at pole. They are pi by 4. Okay, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. Okay, curve exists here. Curve does not exist here. So we should not take any value of theta from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, since curve does not exist. And if we consider r will be imaginary, r square will be negative and r will be imaginary. Okay, again curve exists here, so we can consider values of theta from 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Again here curve does not exist, so we should not consider value of theta from 5 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? Again see, since curve is symmetric about x-axis, it is sufficient to consider these values only: 0 to pi by 4 and 3 pi by 4 to pi. These values only.
Yes, sir.
Right. Again, curve is symmetric about y-axis also, na? Right. So it is sufficient to consider these values only. These values only. By symmetry, we can trace the curve in this part. Getting that? So, considering existence symmetry, it is sufficient to consider values of theta from 0 to pi by 4 only. Hope you are getting it. Okay. So, done. Considering existence and symmetry, let values of theta be 0 to pi by 4. Consider 0 as well as pi by 4 also. Okay. So now I have like this r square equal to a square cos 2 theta. Okay. When r equal to 0, what I have? R square equal to a square. That is r equal to plus minus a. When r equal to pi by 4. R square equal to a square cos of 0. Cos of pi by 2. That is r square equal to 0.
Sir,
Huh?
theta equal
Sir, theta equals to 0.
Theta equal to 0.
equal to 0 and pi by
Acha, theta equal to 0. That I have to write. Absolutely. Sorry. Theta equal to 0. That I have to write. Sorry. Theta equal to 0. Then r square equal to a square. And theta equal to pi by 4. R square equal to a square cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. That is r equal to 0. Now, theta equal to pi by 8. Let me consider a value which is between 0 to pi by 4. Okay. So r square equal to a square cos of pi by 4. Pi by 8 into 2. Na? And what is this? A square 1 upon root 2. Na? Right. So a square divided by root 2. But what the r is? Plus minus a divided by root of 2. Root of 2. Okay. So please anyone use calculus and tell me what is 1 upon root of 2. Find 1 upon root of 2. Yes. Who got the answer?
0.8410.
0.8408.
84. Okay, very good. So these are the values. So let me write them in terms of a table. So it was plus minus a divided by root of 2. This was 0. Okay. So that is plus minus a plus minus 0.84a, and this is 0. So you might have understood the values are decreasing. Okay, and the values are plus minus. Why the values are plus minus? Due to the symmetry. Okay. Now on the next page, what I will do, I'll collect everything together and then we'll trace the curve. Give me some time to trace the curve, and we'll try to understand whatever we have written till about the Pascal's-Lamy scale. Right, name of the curve is Pascal's-Lamy scale that we have written in the previous lecture. Hope you remember. So we'll see that. Okay. So symmetry about x-axis or initial line, right? Then about pole, okay, and then about theta equal to pi by 2 or y-axis. Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
0.84 into 0.84 केलं तर 0.705 येतं आणि आपल्याला ना √2 चा रूट काढायचा म्हणजे 1.414 चा रूट काढायचा आहे. मग 1.414 चा रूट वेगळा येतो.
नाही, मला तू आन्सर सांग, कारण आता माझ्याकडे कॅल्सी नाही आहे. सो फॉर मी इट इज डिफिकल्ट. सो यू टेल मी व्हॉट द आन्सर इज 1 upon √2 in root of √2. So you can consider 2 raised to 1 upon 4 ना.
1.189.
काय ते मग
1.189 येतं √2 चा व्हॅल्यू.
how it will be not more than 1 ना. It is 1 upon ना.
√2 ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? 1.414.
हा,
1.4 काढला मग तसं येतं तर मग 1.189 येतं आणि मग मी काय केलं 1.189 into 1.189 केलं. मग माझं आन्सर 1.414च आलं.
नाही तू चुकीच्या पद्धतीने करतोय.
सर 1 upon root of √2 आहे ना ते, त्याने फक्त रूट ऑफ √2 काढलं.
सर त्याने फक्त रूट ऑफ √2 काढलं, 1 डिवाइड बाय नाही
1 upon root of
वन
√2
अपॉन
नाही.
कर ना. 1 upon कर ना. ठीक आहे. लेट मी कंटिन्यू. Pole, yes, passing through the pole. Tangent at pole. What are the tangents at pole? Theta equal to pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, okay, 5 pi by 4, and 7 pi by 4. Now you might have understood since 4 tangents are there, how many branches of the curve are passing through the pole? 4 branches are passing. समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Right? 4 branches of the curve, they are passing through the pole. Okay? 4 branches passing through pole. Okay. Next, we have checked existence. Okay. Lies inside R equal to A. Okay. And exist between, curve exists between theta equal to 7 pi by 4 to pi by 4. And pi by 4 to 3 by 4 does not exist. Pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4. Okay. कुछ गलत हुआ क्या? यहाँ पे exist नहीं, 3 pi by 4. शायद this is wrong. This should be 3 pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Please make the required change. Okay. Then table है हमारे पास. We can use that. Okay. Now let me trace the curve. This is the circle. Let me draw. चलो ट्रेस करते हैं. ये है सर्कल. Theta equal to 0. So first point, symmetry about x-axis, y-axis, pole. Okay, passing through the pole, one point on the curve is known pole. Okay, tangent at pole, these are the tangents, pi by 4. It should exactly pass from the center. Unfortunately, it is not so. Then these are the tangents. Yes, these are the tangents. Theta equal to pi by 4. Theta equal to 3 pi by 4. Second tangent. Theta equal to 5 pi by 4. Theta equal to 7 pi by 4. These are the tangents. Okay. Then curve exists between 7 pi by 4 to 4 pi by 4. Curve does not exist from pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Curve exists here. Curve does not exist here. Okay. Then we consider existence lies inside the circle R equal to 8. This is the circle R equal to 8. Okay. Then we have to consider a table. When theta equal to 0, we have the point R equal to 8. The circle R equal to 8, so we have one point here. Then theta equal to 8 pi by 4. This is theta equal to 8 pi by 4. I think it is 0.84. So somewhere here, 0.84. Okay. This is 0.1 now. So this is A, this is 0.84, less than A. And then when theta equal to pi by 4, we have here point. Okay. So the curve is like this. The curve is like this. Okay, by symmetry, since curve is symmetric about y-axis, the remaining part of curve will be like this. Like this. Now since curve is symmetric about x-axis also, the remaining part of curve is like this. Symmetry about x-axis, therefore remaining part of curve is like this. Like the infinity. This is the curve. Okay. You might have understood these are the tangents. These are the tangents. Okay. Like infinity. Two closed curves are there. Two lobes are there. Lobes. Two lobes. Two lobes are there for the Pascal's Lemon-Scale. Please draw them, understand it. And on the next page, yes, any doubt?
सर मला ते दुसरं पाय बाय 4 कसं काय काढलं तुम्ही?
कोणतं?
पाय बाय 4 च्या खाली अजून एक पाय बाय 4 आहे.
तर ते पाय बाय 8 आहे, पाय बाय 4 ते 0.
pi by 8. It is pi by 8. That I consider from the table. Understood? This is known as Pascal's Laminscate. I will draw on it. Let me go through the next page. Two Pascal's Laminscate are there. Let me draw the second one also, and we'll write few things about Pascal's Laminscate. That all these things are required in the unit number 6. Let me change the page. R square equal to A square sine 2 theta. Okay, great. Symmetry. I'm writing it directly, huh? So if you replace theta by minus theta, there will be change. So it is not symmetric about the initial line. Okay. So write symmetry about pole. Symmetry about line theta equal to pi by 4. Okay. Next, pole. Passing through the pole. Tangent. Let me write them directly. I am not writing the explanation. R equal to 0, so sine 2 theta equal to 0, so 2 theta equal to, yes, when sine is 0, 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, 5 pi, and so on. But what is the value of theta are? 0, pi by 2, then pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 5 pi by 2, 2 pi and 0, they are same. So the 4 different tangents are, these are the 4 different tangents. N number of tangents are there, but again repetition is there, same tangent will be there. In existence lies inside R equal to A, you can check it. B, between the tangent 0 to pi by 2 exist. Take theta equal to pi by 4, so sine pi by 2 is 1. Okay. Then from pi by 2 to pi does not exist. Pi to 3 pi by 2 exist. Okay. And the curve is like this. These are the tangents 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2. Infinity like the previous one only, but here it is rotated by angle pi by 4. Okay, you have to remember these two curves. Huh? Remember the tangents also. Hope this is clear. Okay, next. Let me go to the next page. Right next. So we studied 4 cardioids and 2 Pascal's Laminar scale. Right now, at least remember them. They are very important. A few more types of polar curve we are now studying. Their name is Radha. Next, so we studied curve in Cartesian form, curve in polar form. Third, Rose curve. Rose curve. Okay, Radha. Equation of Rose curve is R equal to A cos n theta or R equal to A sin n theta. R equal to A cos n theta or R equal to A sin n theta. Okay. Right now, first point, symmetry. We'll write about them simultaneously. So for the first curve, R equal to A cos n theta, theta replaced by minus theta, what will happen? R equal to A cos of minus n theta, but cos of minus theta is cos theta only, no change. Whereas here, if we replace theta by minus theta, R equal to A sine of minus n theta will be minus A sine n theta. So change is there. Okay, so symmetric about initial line. Not symmetric about initial line. Okay, remember. Symmetric about initial line, not symmetric about initial line. Okay. Whereas in second case, in case of sine theta, if R is replaced by minus R and theta is replaced by minus theta, see what happens. Minus R equal to A sine of minus n theta. So you might have understood negative sign will cancel. Okay. So symmetric about y-axis or theta equal to line theta equal to pi by 2 is y-axis. Okay, so this curve is symmetric about x-axis. This is symmetric about y-axis. This is the difference. Okay. Second, pole, whether they are passing through the pole or not, that we want to understand. Okay. So r equal to 0 means cos of n theta equal to 0. And we know that we can find the n theta. When cos is 0, pi by 2. Single value is required here. So theta equal to pi divided by 2n. Then it is 0. Whereas in this case, r equal to, सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? I am audible?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, नहीं तो क्या मुझे लगता है कि बंद हो गया. Sin n theta equal to sin 0 for 0. So theta equal to 0. Okay. Passes through pole. This also passes through pole. Both of them passes through the pole. Okay. Both the curve they are passing through the pole. चलो नेक्स्ट पेज पे चलते हैं. टेंजेंट देते हैं अभी. Tangent at pole. So r equal to a cos n theta is sin n theta. How to find tangent at pole? We have to substitute r equal to 0. So cos n theta equal to 0. That is n theta equal to cos. When cos is 0, pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
Absolutely. 3 pi by 2. Then 5 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2. And so on. Huh? So theta equal to pi divided by 2n, 3 pi divided by 2n, 5 pi divided by 2n, 7 pi divided by 2n. Next will be 9 pi divided by 2n, 11 pi divided by 2n, and so on. Okay. Whereas in this case, theta equal to 0, that is sine n theta equal to 0, that is n theta equal to sine 0 is for 0, then pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and so on. We can take any number of values, and therefore theta is equal to 0, pi divided by n, 2 pi divided by n, 3 pi divided by n, 4 pi divided by n, and so on. So many tangents are there. Then we'll take the existence. Okay. So in both the case, you might have understood R maximum is A. Right? Maximum value of R is A only. Maximum value of cos theta or sin theta is 1. Right? R maximum is 1. So both the curve lies inside circle R equal to A. Now, just we are generalizing it, till we are not considered what the value of n and what will happen with the value of n, that we are not considered. Just we are considering general case. So existence we have checked for maximum and minimum value of R. Okay. Now we have not considered existence between different tangents. We are leaving that time being. So let me leave that. Then loop. Is it possible that R is negative? Yes. Right. R minus A in both cases. Therefore, loop exist in both cases. Okay. Now number of loops, very important part. Number of loops. Okay. For both of them, whether it is R equal to A cos of n theta or R equal to A sin n theta, it does not depend upon whether it is sin theta or cos theta. It depends upon n. Okay. So when n is even number, 2, 4, 6, like this. Okay. 2n loops are there. 2n loops. And n is odd, n loops are there. Now, how it is obtained? It is obtained by considering the previous, the polar form part. The curve is taken, and then say R equal to A cos 4 theta is taken, and then all the tangents are obtained. Then whether it is passing through pole or not, all these things are obtained, and then curve is drawn, and it is found that if n is odd, n loops are there. If n is even, 2n loops are there. Okay. Now next important part, first loop. Where is the first loop? Okay, see, in case of cos theta, okay, R equal to A cos n theta, we want R equal to A. This is required. Right, so A equal to A cos n theta. So cos n theta equal to 1. This is required. Okay. Now cos n theta equal to 1 implies, when cos theta is 1, write it here. When cos theta is 1,
0.
0. So it implies theta equal to 0. Okay. So first loop for this along theta equal to 0. इसको कल समझेंगे. Why it is theta equal to 0? Or same thing for the R equal to A sin n theta. उसको समझना है हमें, हाँ? और फिर उसको हम पढ़ेंगे. Right? Then we'll try to trace the curve, Rose curve, for whether it is cos n theta or sin n theta. And then last part, sorry, second last part of the curve tracing will be curve in parametric form, and then we study the rectification. Okay, so 2 parts are remaining, 2 lectures are required. Then we'll go through the MCQs. Okay, so I think we have to arrange a lecture in evening, or I will say at. Can we have a lecture today? At what? At 7?
No, sir, there is the test to
Which
one
test?
co-cube.
Co-cube test. It is today. Is it today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What time? See, yeah, if I will not get the lecture, what alternative I will have? I will not able to solve the MCQs. I'll go through the theory part only. CR सरस सरसच नाही आहे काय सारस हा सर सारस
Yes, sir.
आहेच की नाही काय करायचं लेक्चर जर नाही घेता आलं ना आपल्याला तर मग माझ्याकडे ऑप्शन नाही ना तर मला जेवढे लेक्चर आहे तेवढ्यामध्ये सिलेबस कम्प्लीट करायचं आहे सो आय विल गो थ्रू द थिअरी पार्ट ओनली आय विल नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व द एमसीक्यूज तेजस you discuss with your division and let me know when we can take the extra lecture.
Yes, sir.
Timing will stop since I think already we are 5 minutes late, 3 minutes late. Sorry. Yes, please you can leave. I have taken the attendance, no problem.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
okay.